Hello, if you want to achieve the glass skin or baby face skin to even your skin tone, reduce the discoloration, brighten your skin, minimize the pore sizes, reduce or remove the acne scars, make your skin hydrate and soft. The most efficient way is to use the Daily Young Mask group in Lotion. The system is very cost effective, and by using that, within 2 weeks, you can see the great result. How to use the Daily Young Mask group? The first step is to clean. The second step is to hydrate. We're going to mix these three together in the portion of 1 to 1 to 1. Creamy cleansing lotion. The texture is like a creamy lotion, and you can use that to clean your face. It's very good for sensitive skin, very soft, very gentle. Clay pack is a mask to deep clean your face, to draw out all the oil and the dirt. Also very good for acne and pimple and blackheads. It's type of the white clay. Exfoliant Scrub and help you exfoliate your face, but not going to hurt your skin. I'm going to add a little bit as well. It's a purple type. So normally I do 1 to 1 to 1 and I mix them together. I can also use a brush to mix them together and apply. I'm going to just use hand to mix them together. And I can just easily apply it to my face. Before I apply the cleansing mask, I wanted to use enhancer. It's made of aloe vera, and you can use that for sunburn, itchy of your skin, or just use that as a hydrating mask. You can sleep overnight. So this is a huge benefit. You can use anytime for kids, for husband after shave. Before you use the cleansing lotion, you wanted to apply that as a foundation. Use our 3-in-1 mask group. Just apply here. If your cheek area is sensitive, and then you probably can avoid that. And use this 2 to 3 times a week. If your skin is more oily, you can use that every day. You can use your hand as well, just use your hand. For me, I normally just use my hand. And leave that on for 10 to 15 minutes when it gets dry, and you can wash it off. After the cleansing masks, it's very important to hydrate. So the second step to use hydrating mask, it's creamy hydrating mask. Apply this creamy hydrating mask heavily on your face. It needs to be thick enough you don't see the skin tone. And apply more. After 10 to 15 minutes, it's going to be transparent and being fully absorbed. You can use the hydrating mask every day. It is highly recommended. If your skin is dry, you want to use the creamy hydrating mask in the first week every day before you can use a cleansing mask. After 15 minutes, you can see it got fully absorbed and almost like transparent. And you can wipe it off and then clean. Easily use any paper towel or tissue paper and then wash it off. The last step is to put on the lotion. This is a moisture restore. It's a bioadaptive. It's the latest technology. It has the ingredients from the plants really living in very harsh environments. Adapt to hot desert or very cold places. A 24-hour hydration. Smells really good. Generously apply on your face. And you can apply more layers to really hydrate your face. So we talked about the number 1 step is for cleansing, number 2, hydration, and number 3, use a moisturizer. Very simple. This Daily Young system, if you keep using that for 2 weeks, you will see your face get dramatically changed. Feel free to contact me for the one-on-one consultation. I will provide you the best solution for your daily routine and to fit your budget.